feel some type of pleasure in my mind. Yeah, here comes that water. Here comes to wash away the sins of you and I. What's real and what's for sale? Blue kiss and try to take it home. Isn't you, isn't me? Search for things that you can't see. Going blind, out of reach, somewhere in the vessel. Mississippi Queen, if you know what I mean. Mississippi Queen, she taught me everything. We down around Vicksburg, around Louisiana way. Lived a Cajun lady aboard the Mississippi Queen. You know she was a dancer. She moved better on wine while the rest of them dudes were getting their kicks. Hey buddy, beg your pardon, I was getting mine. Oh, Mississippi Queen.